Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to do a eye look, that is a peacock look, and this look I am doing inspired by the rains. Okay guys, so now let's get started with the video and we will do the peacock look. Now let's get started. I will show you how to do this look in easy way. Okay guys, so let's get started with the video. So first what you have to do whenever you are doing your eyeshadow look, first you have to always use a concealer and conceal your eyes properly. So I am using this LA Girl Pro concealer. I have done my base already. I'm just concealing my eyes. You can just conceal it properly. So I'm using this LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Pure Beige. So you have to conceal it properly. Okay guys, you can see you have to do like that, and after that I'm using a damp beauty blender and you have to properly blend it. Have to properly conceal it. Use a primer so that your eyeshadow lasts for long and pigments will come out. The pigmentation will really come out very well. So you can see I've just concealed my eyes. I'll do on the second side also. After that you have to lock this look with a loose powder. So after concealing my eyes properly, I will lock this look with a loose powder. So I am using this loose powder. I will just take it on my beauty blender and I will just dab it over here. If you want, you just keep your loose powder like that only. After we finish the look, we can dust off the excess so that the fallout of the eyeshadow will be there. So we'll just dust off that also with this. So I'm keeping this like this only. After that, at the end we will dust off the excess. So I've locked my concealer with the loose powder, you can see guys. Okay guys, so we'll start our look. So first for the eyeshadow, you have to take a flat brush. You can see. So for this you have to take a flat brush. I am taking this brush and I am taking this palette. I am taking Jaclyn Hill palette. Whichever palette is available with you, you can do this look with that. So I am taking this palette. And for the peacock look, we will use this shades. You can see over here. So I am taking this shade over here, this, you can see. You have to just take this look, and whenever you want more pigment, so you have to just dab it on your eyes in the inner corner, and after that you have to drag your eyeshadow outwards. So I want more color on the inner side, so I will just dab it over there. So I'll start it from my inner eye. So I'm starting it from my inner eye. So I want more pigment over here. So you can see I'm just dabbing it. You can see the pigment, it's amazing. You can see it. This palette is really amazing guys. You can just give it a try. So I want more pigment over here. So I'm just dabbing this over here. And after that, you can see I'm just dragging this color now till the middle of your eye. Can see guys. After that I will take this fluffy brush. I'm taking this fluffy brush and we will just blend it properly. So guys, I'm taking this fluffy brush. Now we'll properly blend this look. So I'm just blending this from here so that it looks very nice and clean. So we'll just blend this properly. You can see guys, you have to properly blend this so the color is coming over here and it will not look very patchy. You can see. So whenever you are doing eyeshadow, blending is the main thing in eyeshadows. So you have to properly blend it with a fluffy brush. So I am doing this, and you have to take it till here only, to the middle of your eyeball, and after that we'll add more color to this. First you have to blend it properly. You can see I have dragged it outwards. Okay guys, now I'm taking that color again which is left on my brush. You can see now I'll do it over in the inner corner again, because I want more color over there. I'm just dabbing it. You can see guys. Okay guys, after we are done with this, we will take this the other color. After we are done with this color, I am going to take this color. You can see over here guys. So I am taking other flat brush which I am having. You can use the same brush, but I want that brush again for my other eye. So I am using this brush. So I am just taking this color. You can see. After that, what we will do is we will first create one line over here. You can see first I have created one line over here, and after that you can see guys, I have first taken this and I have drawn a line over here with this, and after that I'll go this way. You can see I'm doing it this way. You have to just make a pointer over here, and after that I'll just fill color in this. Just drag your brush. Okay guys, you can see our look is ready. So now I'll do the second eye. So you have to do it the same way. I'll just take the color. I'll just do the second eye and I'll be back. So guys, I'm done with the second eye. I have done it. Now what we'll do is we will take this color. So you have to take that color and just have to apply on the lower lash. Just have to apply on the lower lash. You can take any beauty blender or a sponge and just have to apply on the lower line. You can see. This really looks very beautiful. You can see guys. Okay guys, so both the eyes are done. Now what I'll do, I'm using this My Glam eyeliner. I'll just take this eyeliner. You can take whichever liner you have. I'm taking this liner and we'll start it from the middle. You don't have to do your full eye with this. So I'm starting it from the middle. You can see guys. So now after doing this, after doing the liner, first we will color our lashes. So I'm using this color. You can get wherever, like on Amazon, Nykaa. I'll give the link in the description box below. You can see I'm just curling my lashes. You have to properly curl your lashes, and after that you have to apply mascara. So after curling my lashes, now I'm using this mascara. This is from Maybelline Falsies Drama Mascara. I'm taking this and we'll just apply it. After we are done with the mascara, what I'm doing is I'm taking this fluffy brush and I'll take the highlighter. I'm taking this Maybelline Chrome highlighter. I'll just take it on my brush, dust off the excess, and I will put it over here on my under my eyebrows, you can see, and just blend it properly to complete our look. We'll do on the both sides of our eye. You can see this highlighter is bomb. So guys, you can see our eyes are ready now. So whatever has fall out over here, you can do is you can apply a concealer, or you can dust off the excess, or you can use the loose powder to just do it properly. So I'm just using the concealer wherever I feel that eyeshadow look will also come out properly. So I'm just using this concealer again. So that wherever there is a fallout, this will just help you in making your eyeshadow look more nice. You can see I'm just doing this. So now I'm taking my loose powder and I'll just dab it under my eyes. Now I'll apply my fake lashes. So I'm using this Nykaa fake lashes. You can use whatever is available with you, or if you don't use that is also fine, because I think this look is ready without the lashes also. You can see guys. It's looking amazing. So I'm applying this lashes. If you have, you can. If you don't have, it's okay. So I'm using this lashes. I've ordered this from Nykaa, but I really don't like the glue inside is not coming out only. So I don't like this lashes. So please don't buy this Nykaa lashes. They are really, I didn't like this lashes, so I am not recommending you to buy this, because the glue in this is, you can see it's frozen already. So I'll just apply the lashes and I'll be back. Okay guys, you can see I've applied my lashes. Now the last thing what I want to do is highlighter. So I'll just take the highlighter and just apply it on my face. Okay guys, so you can see our look is ready. I have just applied the glitter on the inner corner of my eye also, so that the looks just pop out. I have just done my lashes. So guys, I'll recommend you, please don't buy this lashes. They are really not very good and I didn't like the lashes. So please don't buy it. And I really think this look, you can see just.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
This look has turned out to be amazing guys, you can see. I just love this look. Just try it and let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do more such videos. I'll do that for you. Okay guys, I hope this information was useful to you and I hope you like this look. Please create this look and tag me on Instagram. I'll just upload my ID. So you can just check in the description box my ID. Okay guys, bye. I hope you like this video. Please do it and comment below. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel and please try this look. Bye guys, take care.